Have you ever stood in the middle of your kitchen, staring into an open cupboard, and realized you have absolutely no recollection of? We are often told that these frustrating moments of forgetfulness, misplaced keys, and slipping names are just the unavoidable tax of growing older. But what if the true culprit behind your fading mental clarity is not your age at all, but the very liquid you pour into your frying pan every single morning? There is a quiet, hidden reality that modern brain specialists are now starting to uncover. A specific, highly popular cooking oil, found in almost every pantry, acts like an invisible chemical fog for your neural pathways, slowly eroding your short-term memory with every meal you consume. You might be doing everything right by solving crossword puzzles, reading books, and walking your daily steps. Yet you could accidentally be introducing a highly unstable ingredient that quietly damages your brain's communication lines while you cook your dinner. If you have been relying on standard supermarket health labels to choose your fats, you are likely making a profound mistake that places a massive, silent burden on your cognitive independence. If you want to protect your health and avoid common mistakes, subscribe for more videos like this. The primary misunderstanding surrounding memory loss in our 60s and 70s is the belief that our brain function operates entirely separate from the fats we consume at the dinner table. We tend to think of memory as a mental muscle that simply grows tired over time, completely overlooking the biological reality that the human brain is composed almost entirely of fat molecules. When we are younger, our cellular structures are highly resilient, easily filtering out minor dietary toxins and maintaining a strong protective shield around our delicate cognitive center. However, as the decades march on, that natural defense system becomes significantly more vulnerable, and our brain cells rely entirely on the purity of the fats we eat to rebuild their external walls. Common daily habits, like using a splash of generic vegetable oil to fry your morning eggs, or trusting packaged baked goods made with light plant fats, can trigger a slow, continuous degradation of your neural tissue without ever causing a single moment of physical pain. The risks of allowing this internal degradation to proceed unaddressed are serious, but can be faced with a calm, focused mind. When your brain is constantly supplied with damaged, highly processed fats, it incorporates these unstable molecules directly into your neural membranes, making them rigid, fragile, and increasingly incapable of transmitting electrical thoughts cleanly. This slow accumulation of cellular friction does not just cause minor forgetfulness. It acts like a persistent brake on your mental processing speed, gradually draining your daily alertness, clouding your short-term recall, and quietly threatening the vibrant, self-sufficient lifestyle you have worked a lifetime to enjoy. According to many specialists, the hidden decline of our cognitive sharpness is rarely driven by natural aging alone, but rather by the massive influx of highly refined industrial seed oils that dominate modern grocery shelves. What most people don't realize is that when we look at brain fog and memory lapses, the primary driver is often low-grade, systemic inflammation that acts like static on a radio wire inside your skull. Doctors often see this mistake, where senior patients completely starve themselves of healthy, natural traditional fats out of fear, while unknowingly consuming large quantities of chemically altered vegetable oils that disrupt their brain's natural repair mechanisms. Medical experts point out that these factory-made oils are incredibly delicate and prone to breaking down into toxic chemical byproducts long before they ever reach your kitchen counter. What most people miss is that your brain relies on smooth, flexible, and completely unoxidized fatty acids to form the microscopic bridges that allow memories to travel from one cell to another. When your internal network is constantly subjected to the unstable molecules found in common cooking liquids, your system enters a state of permanent oxidative stress, quietly stealing your sharp focus and your precious daily stamina. Let us look closely at the first common habit that many seniors routinely practice, which is the daily use of heavily marketed vegetable oils like canola oil, corn oil, and generic soybean oil for their regular stovetop cooking. It may seem entirely helpful and responsible to reach for a light, golden liquid that boasts a heart-healthy checkmark on the front of the bottle, But what most people miss is the violent industrial process required to extract oil from these hard seeds. To transform a tough soybean or a tiny canola seed into a clear liquid, factories must subject the raw material to extreme chemical solvents, intense mechanical pressure, and scorching heat temperatures. According to many specialists, this harsh processing completely destroys any natural vitamins the seed possessed, leaving behind a highly unstable liquid that is already chemically damaged before you even open the cap. When you pour this preheated oil into a hot skillet at home, the molecular structure breaks down even further, releasing a wave of microscopic compounds that flow directly into your body and damage your cellular walls. A simple, practical solution to protect your morning neural pathways is to remove these industrial seed oils from your counter entirely, replacing them with pure, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, which is extracted gently without any heat or chemicals, providing a clean, protective fuel source that honors your body's natural balance. The second hidden culprit that quietly weakens your short-term memory after 60 is the widespread presence of hidden hydrogenated oils inside common store-bought senior convenience foods, such as low-fat margarines, processed spreads, and shelf-stable crackers. Many of us grew up during an era where we were told that traditional butter was a dangerous enemy, leading millions of households to switch to soft, synthetic tubs that claim to protect our blood vessels. However, what most people do not realize is that to make these liquid plant oils solid at room temperature, manufacturers must pump hydrogen gas through the fat, creating a mutated molecular structure that your body does not recognize. Doctors often see this mistake, where seniors use these synthetic spreads daily on their morning toast, thinking they are making a disciplined choice while unknowingly introducing a substance that stiffens the delicate cell walls inside their brain. Medical specialists point out that when these altered fats build up in your neural tissue, they block the entry of vital nutrients and slow down the speed at which your brain cells can communicate with one another. A highly effective, safe solution is to return to modest amounts of real, traditional, grass-fed butter or pure avocado spreads, which contain completely natural, unmanipulated fat structures that your liver and brain can easily identify, absorb, and use to maintain your cognitive agility. The third daily factor that quietly erodes your memory sharpness often stems from a cooking practice that many people view as an innocent, money-saving habit, which is the routine practice of reusing cooking oil for multiple meals. It is completely natural to look at a pan of oil after frying a piece of fish or some vegetables and feel that throwing it away is a waste, leading many adults to save the liquid in a jar for the next day's cooking. What most people do not realize, however, is that every single time an oil is heated, cooled down, and heated again, its chemical bonds break down exponentially faster, transforming the liquid into a concentrated reservoir of free radicals and toxic aldehydes. According to many specialists, when you consume food cooked in this repeatedly heated oil, these toxic compounds easily pass through your digestive system and cross directly into your brain, where they trigger immediate oxidative damage to the hippocampus, which is the precise region responsible for forming your new short-term memories. When this delicate memory center is constantly battered by these recycled chemical storms, your ability to retain new information starts to falter, making you feel increasingly dependent on written notes and reminders just to get through your day. To protect your structural freedom, a simple and realistic action step is to always use fresh fat for every single meal you prepare, completely discarding any oil that has already been exposed to heat so you never introduce recycled toxins into your precious neural pathways. The fourth symptom of dietary brain strain often comes from a food that many people view as an innocent, healthy snack, which is the consumption of roasted nuts and seeds that have been packaged and preserved using industrial vegetable oils. It is a common recommendation for seniors to eat more nuts to protect their heart and brain, leading many to keep a canister of roasted almonds or mixed nuts on their side table for a quick afternoon pick-me-up. But here is what most people miss. If you check the ingredient label on the back of almost every commercial nut container, you will see that they are not dry roasted, but are instead covered in a heavy coating of cheap canola, cottonseed, or soybean oil to help the salt stick to the surface. Specialists often point out that these fragile oils sit on warehouse shelves and grocery racks for months at a time, slowly turning rancid inside the package under the continuous exposure to store lighting. When you eat these coated snacks, you are unknowingly consuming large quantities of stale, inflamed fats that actively compete with the healthy, natural oils naturally found inside the nut itself. A wonderful, hopeful alternative is to purchase strictly raw, unroasted nuts and seeds, taking 5 minutes to lightly toast them yourself in a dry pan without adding a single drop of factory oil, ensuring you receive pure, pristine nutrition that sharpens your mind without any hidden chemical interference. The fifth hidden danger sits inside a product that many seniors buy out of a deep desire to make an elegant, health-conscious choice, which is the category of commercial light or pure olive oils often sold in large, clear plastic bottles. When you see the word olive oil on a label, you naturally assume it carries all the legendary brain-boosting benefits of the Mediterranean diet. What most people do not realize, however, is that any bottle labeled as light or pure olive oil has been chemically refined to strip away its natural strong flavor, color, and aroma, using the exact same high-heat processes applied to industrial seed oils. According to many specialists, this refining process eliminates the very polyphenols and antioxidants that make olive oil beneficial for your brain in the first place, leaving behind a blank, hollow fat that has lost its ability to shield your blood vessels from inflammation. Doctors often see seniors pouring these clear, refined oils over their meals, completely unaware that they are missing out on the genuine, brain-protective compounds found only in the unrefined version. The practical solution is to always look for the explicit phrase extra virgin on the label, ensuring the oil is housed in a dark green or amber glass bottle that completely blocks out the damaging effects of light, keeping the protective nutrients pristine and ready to nourish your cognitive center. The sixth dietary element that quietly places an enormous burden on your memory after 60 is the frequent use of commercial salad dressings, mayonnaises, and savory sauces that are built entirely on a foundation of hidden soybean oil. You might buy a beautiful assortment of fresh greens from the market and prepare a crisp, nutritious salad, assuming this meal is the absolute ultimate achievement for your physical longevity. What most people don't realize is that even the most expensive organic salad dressings on the supermarket shelf are almost always formulated with cheap soybean or canola oil as their very first ingredient, because it extends the product's shelf life indefinitely. When you coat your healthy vegetables in these industrial liquids, you are introducing a massive dose of omega-6 fatty acids, which creates a severe biochemical imbalance in your body that pushes your nervous system into a state of chronic, low-level alarm. Specialists often notice that simply switching away from these store-bought bottles and creating your own simple, delicious dressing right at the table using a splash of real extra virgin olive oil and fresh lemon juice can completely alter your daytime mental clarity, lifting the heavy weight of brain fog and restoring a beautiful, sharp focus to your afternoon activities. I want to give you back the deepest emotional reassurance that discovering these hidden dietary dangers is not a reason to feel overwhelmed, discouraged, or fearful about the state of your memory right now. Finding these truths simply means you are gaining the exact specialized knowledge required to take complete, authoritative control over your own cognitive aging process. Your brain cells are not rigid, unchangeable structures that are doomed to fade away with every passing year. They are living, breathing entities that possess an absolutely remarkable capacity to repair, cleanse, and rejuvenate themselves the very moment you remove the daily friction of processed chemicals and unstable fats. Specialists consistently see that when seniors over 60 make the elegant switch toward pure, natural, unrefined fats, their mental processing speed and short-term recall begin to restore themselves in a matter of weeks. You have the total power to choose what crosses your lips, and by making small, proud adjustments to your kitchen pantry, you are actively casting a vote for a future defined by a beautifully sharp mind, a reliable memory, and total physical independence. To help you put this protective strategy into immediate action tomorrow morning, let us outline a simple, realistic plan that you can follow with absolute ease and safety. When you visit the grocery store this week, make it a firm rule to avoid any cooking oil that comes in a clear, flimsy plastic bottle, as these containers allow light to penetrate and damage the liquid before you even buy it. Instead, focus your attention entirely on purchasing single-ingredient, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil or pure avocado oil packaged in dark glass or metal tins. Before you buy any packaged snack, crackers, or sauce, flip the item over and scan the ingredient list for hidden references to soybean, canola, corn, cottonseed, or hydrogenated oils, gently placing any compromised products back on the shelf. These simple instructions are entirely safe, highly practical, and require no radical dietary extremes or expensive specialty supplements, making them perfectly suited for anyone looking to maintain a pristine, youthful memory well into their 80s and 90s. Think about the magnificent peace of mind and physical comfort that awaits you when your mind is no longer forced to fight through a heavy, chemical fog every single day. Imagine walking into a room, remembering exactly what you set out to accomplish, and feeling an incredible wave of natural, unhindered clarity throughout your entire thoughts. You will no longer have to live with the nagging, uncomfortable worry of whether your minor slip-ups are a sign of a deeper, permanent cognitive decline. Your meals can return to being a true source of pure joy, deep nourishment, and elegant comfort, where your body easily digests the clean energy and uses it to keep your brain cells flexible, your memory beautifully sharp, and your mind completely focused on the things that matter most. This is the natural, guaranteed reward for working in perfect harmony with your internal biology and extending to your physical frame the specialized, mindful attention it truly deserves. As you begin to transition away from industrial seed oils and synthetic spreads over the coming days, take a quiet moment to notice how beautifully your body and mind respond to this gentle care. You will likely find that your afternoon energy levels become remarkably stable, your morning brain fog completely dissipates, and your thoughts flow with an incredible sense of lightness and ease as you move through your daily routines. Share this supportive, clear perspective with your close friends and contemporary loved ones, as encouraging those in your community to look past misleading front-of-bottle health claims is a wonderful way to preserve the collective strength, vitality, and mental freedom of everyone you care about. Your longevity is a beautiful, continuous journey that is shaped by the wise, loving choices you make with every single sunrise. Keep your kitchen simple, honor your body's internal pathways, and keep moving forward into your long, vibrant future with absolute confidence and peace of mind.